Alright, so thank you for joining me once again. So we have a new update on the hot wallet, right? And we have a new task to actually get done, and we have to get the code for this particular video and put it right here. So we're going to be doing that in this particular video, right? So if you're here to do the rest that are actually right here, I've made a video about that. So this is actually my Telegram channel. The link is going to be at the comment section of this particular video. Please do out to join me right there and let's grow up together, right? And if you're here to subscribe to my channel, this is my YouTube channel. You can go ahead to subscribe. If you actually find this particular video useful for you and make online investment platform and also updates on airdrop, right? So let's go back into the update, right? So all you need to do right here is to click on the account. So to get this, for those that actually do not have access to this, let me show you how you can currently get this. All you need to do is to go to your hot wallet account. So once you get to your hot wallet account, then go to mission. So once you get to mission, you stroll around, then you're going to see this right here. You're going to see this right here. This is the educational part of it, right? So we have about 13. This is the 13th. We've done like 12 already, so we are going to make this one done also to make it 13, right? So you click on it. Once you click on it, all you need to do is to come to the site. So click on watch the video, right? So what to watch the video. Then after watching this particular video, you take your time to watch. So I'm going to get to how you can currently get it code right here. So you click on submit password, right? And this is currently the code. So right, all right. So let's put on A, then search it if it's going to be correct. Imagination. Yeah. Let's wait a little while. All right. So we got it right. So this is how to get your code right here. So thanks so much for watching this particular video. I love you all guys. Peace out.